Good day, everyone. After explaining to you pollution and its effects to our environment, as well as land pollution, in today's third episode, we are going through detail by detail about water pollution and ways on how we can prevent this matter from occurring. But before we deal with it, let us give you an overview of how essential water is, as well as a quote from the next slide. So, a quote from Barry Commoner: environmental pollution is an incurable disease. It can only be prevented. So, how essential is water to our daily lives? We all know that water is a necessity for each and every living organism around the world. As humans, the importance of water is a crucial need, but we're also responsible for damaging our resources. So, 80% of world's water waste is being dumped into oceans, which makes our marine life in danger. It also jeopardizes the health of the people, which makes a concerning issue due to the number of deaths compared to violence. So, how harmful is water pollution? Water pollution takes place when harmful substances or chemicals contaminate bodies of water, specifically rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. So, one example is the most common water pollution among ships is oil spill. This causes a massive damage to marine life and biodiversity as it creates a negative effect on the growth of the fishes. So, why is it easily polluted compared to other forms of pollution? Because water is known as a universal solvent, which means it dissolves more substances. Therefore, it can also inflict danger to people's health, especially if our drinking water is contaminated by harmful substances. So, there are six different types of water pollution. Now that we know what water pollution is, let us now tackle each and every different types of it. So, we have groundwater, surface water, ocean water, point and non-point sources, and transboundary. Another aspect is the types of contaminations. As mentioned a while ago, oil spills are one of the most common scenarios of water pollution. We also have agricultural, wastewater, and radioactive substances. With these types of water pollutants and contaminants, we can simply say how it is easy to affect our marine life and biodiversity, especially if we continue to bad practices that result in destroying our own environment. So there are also ways on how we can prevent water pollution. First and foremost is the reduction of plastic consumption. The more we reduce plastic consumption through proper recycling, can also reduce the amount of plastic deposited in the bodies of seawater or water. Which leads to our second way is to have a proper disposal of harmful substances. We must avoid using pesticides and herbicides that are not organic as it continues to affect bodies of water. And lastly, pushing for better policies in conserving heavy bodies of water and raising awareness regarding the importance of preserving our marine life is a must. This will not only resolve current problems of water pollution, but also in the long-term aspect, we would be able to promote marine life and its biodiversity, plus creating a future built around conservation. So down to my last question to you. Are you ready to conserve water marine life? So that's it. We hope that you were able to know more about water pollution and ways on how we can preserve our marine life and mitigate its effects. Thank you and see you next time.